Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to customize home page in Salesforce Lightning. The home page is a customizable landing page that users see when they log in into the Salesforce application. It serves as a dashboard and providing an overview of a key information and actionable insights tailored to the user role and preferences. Here, we're going to discuss the whole process and we discuss to customize the home page in Salesforce. So for this, we need to move to our Salesforce account. So this is my Salesforce developer account. So firstly, we click on the gear icon and click on the setup option and then enter the app builder in the quick find box, and here we can see the lightning app builder. Click on this and it will redirect us to the lightning app builder page. Inside this page we can see the list of lightning pages, app pages are already created. Now we want to create the home page. So for this we click on the new button and here we can see the home page is present. Click on this home page and it will customize the lightning experience home page, and then click on the next button. Now enter the label for creating the new home page, and here we are entering the label as a home page, and then hit the next button and here we go. We can see the standard regions are present. Select any one of the region. You can choose according as your requirement, and here we are choosing header and three region. Hit the done button. Now we come to our Lightning App Builder page. Now on the right side we can see there is a standard components are present, and we pick these standard components and drag it into our template. So firstly we pick the recent items from this standard component, and here is the recent item and drag it and drop it here, and then we choose the assistant. Here is the assistant, drag it and drop it here. Now we pick the chatter feed. Here is our chatter feed, drag it and drop it here. Now we pick the key deals. Here is the key deals, drag it and drop it here. And here you can see our template is ready. Now click on the save button. Before clicking on the save button, we click on the page and you can see the label is home page. API name is also generated. The page type is a home page and the template is a header and three reason. You can also change the template by simply clicking on the change button. Now we click on the save button and here the page save. Activate this page to make it visible to your user. Activate the page now or do it later using the activate button in the app builder tool. But we want to activate this page, so we click on the activate button. Now we come to our activation home page, and here we can assign the home pages at a three different level. First one is org default. The home page is displayed unless more specific assigned are made. The second one is app default. The home page is displayed for the specific app and override the org default. And the third one is app and profile. App and profile are displayed for the specific app and profile combination, and they are override all other assignment. This time we choose the app default, and here we click on the assign to app and choose the app name where we assign this home page. So here we are choosing the sales app and hit the next button, and here we can review the assignment, the app name, current app default and the new app default, and hit the save button. Now go back to our home page. Now click on the app launcher and enter the sales. In the search box, select the sales option and you can see that our home page is changed. You can see the recent items, and then you can see the assistants, and then you can see the key deals, and also you can see the chatter feed, and our sales home page is changed now. Now we can see there is a service app. Click on this app and here we can see that on the service app, the home page is existing on is the default one. If you want to add this home page, then you can click on the gear icon and here is the added page option. Click on this added page option and you can also change the home page from here. I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the regular update of upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video tutorial till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.